All right, so we got 3/5, and then they did that awesome picture that they did yesterday. But I don't know why they did the picture like that. The picture's wrong. We were doing. Let's go back. Let's check their work. We already did this. 4/5 minus 1/5. Um, this is 4/5. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Uh-oh, this is 5/5. This doesn't even exist. Yeah. So, they X'd out the wrong part, which is why we're fixing their work. Let's do our own. So there's 4/5 minus 1/5, and just like we got before when we did it on the first video, we still get 3/5. So, yeah, I don't know what that's about. Moving on. 2 2/3 dark green rod minus 1 1/2 dark green rods. Whoa, I almost didn't. 2 2/3 dark green rods rod. This is. My brain fixed that when I read it the first time, so maybe we should just ignore it. Equals this many dark green rods. All right, so, whoa, that's a lot. But the first thing we can do is we can check and see if we can split this one into a kindergarten problem and a fifth grade problem. 2 minus 1, that does work. 2/3 minus 1/2. So this is kind of one of those things where you kind of got to visualize 2/3 is like that, and 1/2 is like this. So, if you're thinking about it, which one does this work? Yes, it works. We can do the kindergarten problem and the fifth grade problem. We do not have to turn both of our numbers into improper fractions. So that is wonderful. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do exactly what I said we were going to do. We're going to do the kindergarten problem, 2 minus 1, and then we're going to do 2/3 minus 1/2. All right. So, remember, on this one, we can't really turn this half into a 3, because that would, like, our half would be 1.5 thirds, which will make sense one day, but we're not there yet. So we gotta do that one thing, where we ask ourselves the questions. So, are my denominators the same? No, my denominators are not the same. A 2 is not a 3. A 3 is not a 2. Can I turn one of my denominators into the other using multiplication? Well, no, you cannot. Not on this one. All right, so finally, can I turn these numbers into a common number that they are both multiples of? Or factors of? Let's find out. So let's skip count. 3, 6. Oh, I already know. 6 is even, so that means that both of them can make 6. So this is a 2 snowman problem. So how do we turn 3 into 6 with multiplication? By multiplying by 2. How do we turn 2 into 6 with multiplication? By multiplying by 3. So let's rewrite this. We have 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. So you have 4/6. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 4/6 minus 3/6, that is 1/6. That is a unit fraction. So we can just bring that right back over here. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and we have our unit fraction. That gives us our total answer of 1 1/6. Now, let's see what kind of picture they have in store for us next. If I can remember. There we go. Okay. So here we go. There is one, I guess. I don't know. Okay, here's 2 green rods, I guess. Okay. All right. So we have 2 2/3. Let's count. It looks like we got a bunch of sixths. So we're going to have to do a bunch of labeling on this. So when we come back, let's do some labeling and see how we could turn this picture into our previous answer of 1 1/6.